Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today, we're diving into a critical but often overlooked component of your vehicle, the bad drive shaft. We will explain what it is, what it does, and the key warning signs that yours might be failing. If you've ever heard of longitudinal transmission, you're halfway to understanding a drive shaft. Simply put, the drive shaft is a rotating tube that transfers power from your transmission to the rear axle and, in some cases, directly to the wheels. Because of its function, the drive shaft is found mostly in rear-wheel drive cars, four-wheel drive vehicles, or wheel-drive systems. But you won't usually find one in a front-wheel drive car. In certain setups, like vehicles with a rear-mounted transmission, the drive shaft may also connect the clutch and gearbox. Its main job: deliver engine power to the wheels without affecting other systems. Let's go over the top signs that your drive shaft could be in trouble. The first symptoms is vibrating, feeling odd vibrations, especially at higher speeds. This could mean the drive shaft bearings are worn out, causing the shaft to wobble or deviate from its axis. Because a drive shaft rotates faster than your wheels, any imbalance gets magnified. If you notice persistent vibration, see a mechanic immediately. It could signal bigger transmission or drive shaft issues. The second symptoms is unusual noises. Hearing clunks, rattles, squeaks, or scraping sounds from underneath your car. This often points to bad U-joints, bearings, bushings. A squeak at low speeds may indicate a dry U-joint. Clicking or knocking could be a bad CV joint. Any of these noises mean it's time for a professional inspection. Third symptoms: strange sounds when changing gears. When switching into reverse or changing gears, worn bearings might struggle to move freely, causing hesitation or noise. This again suggests bearing wear or poor lubrication and needs quick attention to avoid further damage. The fourth symptoms is turning difficulties. If your vehicle resists when making turns, a broken drive shaft could be limiting wheel movement. This affects overall steering control and driving safety. Don't ignore it. The fifth symptoms is transmission fluid leaks. A fluid leak near the rear of the transmission could mean vibration has worn out the output shaft seal, allowing transmission fluid to escape. A mechanic needs to inspect this right away to find the source and fix it before more damage occurs. How often should you inspect the drive shaft? Cars, light trucks and buses, at least once a year. Heavy-duty vehicles, every 6 months. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.